Naomi sound like a ghost there. Oh, Jesus Christ, what the hell was that? It scared me. I expected there to be jump scares in this.
No!
Oh,
No!
fuck.
No.
Don't tell me that ruined the MIDI thing. Fuck. Oh, do not tell me that fucked up everything. Yeah. Shit. Guess what? Just broke. Oh, fucking hell. I don't know what these things are. There's no backups. There's no way to retrieve the data. Nail polish everywhere. Ugh. I have to. Don't say that, Naomi. Fang, come on. Where's an asteroid when you need it?